Heavy-duty jobs call for heavy-duty tools. This kit from Ryobi features a hammer drill, 118 volts 1 plus high-capacity battery, a charger, and a tool bag to store it all in. The P251 is a hammer drill from Ryobi that can tear through a huge variety of drilling and driving applications. Whether it's wood, plastic, masonry, concrete, or thin metals, you'll be able to tackle it thanks to a collection of features on this powerful drill. It has a 24-position clutch that adjusts it up to 750 inch-pounds of torque, along with 3 different speed settings. You can set it for drilling, which will bore through wood and plastic, driving, which is set for small fasteners, and hammer drilling, which will blow through masonry and concrete with ease. To give you greater control when hammer drilling, a side handle can be screwed into either side of the unit, letting you work optimally regardless of your handedness. A rubber molding covers the pistol grip, too, so you can hold onto it while it's vibrating in even the slipperiest conditions. At the base of the drill is a magnetic bit holder, so you can store screws and drill heads onboard your tool, allowing you to make quick job changes without having to constantly walk to your tool bag. With all of these features and power, you can be sure that you're working with Ryobi. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. P251 Hammer Drill. This cordless 18 volts power drill can be adjusted up to 750 inch-pounds of torque with the 24-position clutch. You can also tear through several different materials, from wood to masonry to plastic, with the 3-position speed adjustment knob. Number 2. Magnetic bit holder. Near the base of the hammer drill is a platform where you can keep bits and fasteners secured to the drill. This way, you can replace bits without having to walk away from your job to your tool bag for different jobs. Number 3. P108 battery. This 4 amp-hour battery is one of the largest in Ryobi's lineup. It has an onboard fuel gauge that lets you know how much power is left. It can also work in extreme temperatures, functioning in as low a temperature as 14 degrees Fahrenheit, -10 degrees Celsius. Number 4. P117 battery charger. This charger can fully power 2 amp-hour batteries in as little as 30 minutes. It can tackle the rest of the batteries in Ryobi's 18 volts 1 plus lineup. Compatible models include the P100, P102, P103, P104, P105, P107, and P108. Number 5. Contractor's bag. You can keep your hammer drill, charger, and other accessories tucked away in this lime green bag. It has a sturdy zipper on top that will keep this sealed the way you need. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.